It's Asalta Rehab Tahir from Alfahmi High School. So today I'm gonna share my views about the training that was conducted by Dr. Manzoor Alfahmi Saab, and I would like to thanks a lot to the director of the public high school, Sir Saab, that he gave us a chance that we can have a training session from such a wonderful personality. Of course, Dr. Manzoor Saab. He is such a nice guy. He told us about the easy methods about to use in our classroom to control our classes and to make our students learn the lesson without any kind of punishment. And I think it's a very big achievement if we follow such kind of rules, and we also get the output, good output from the students by this method. Inshallah, we all will try to cope up with the difficulties in our future by following the instruction given us by the Dr. Manzoor Sir. And once again, I would like to thank the director of Alfahmi Public High School that he gave us a chance to conduct that training session by Dr. Sir. Thank you so much.